I look after the BTEC Applied Science course at Aspire 6th. What I'd like to do this afternoon is just talk you briefly through the structure of the course, why you might consider doing it, give you a little bit of an insight into some of the activities and some thoughts about where you might go with it after study. The first thing to say is the main reason you might want to do it is because you want to carry on studying science. You've enjoyed science at GCSE, but you don't want to specialise into one area. Applied science gives you the chance to study biology, chemistry and physics in a real life vocational context and keep that study going. Another sort of real difference from the A-level subjects is the assessment style. 50% pretty much of applied science is studied through coursework and putting portfolios together. So we do have externally assessed units, we do have exams, but we also have work where we can help you, we can look at your work and give you advice, and it rewards sort of steady, hard-working class rather than just that exam revision at the end of the year. Okay, so what will you study? Well, in year 12, we do 2 units. Unit 1 is the content and it's examined at the end of year 12. So you do work in biology on cells, in chemistry, looking really at some of the basic ideas of chemistry, a little bit of a higher level than GCSE, and in fact there's a massive overlap between that and the A-level chemistry course. So you taught the same stuff as the A-level chemistry. In physics, we look at waves. And one thing I think to stress throughout the course is we try and look at these things in a real-life work-based context. So just for an example, in physics, we look at sound and music. The practical itself is very straightforward, if I can get this to work. We make paper straws and we investigate how the length of the straw affects the sound. Dead simple practical, but what we can then do is look at, I'm sure you can't see it from here very well, but we can look at how the shape of the waves, how the frequencies of the sound affect the notes, and we can look at how that's used in real life, either in making instruments and how music instruments work, or using electronic synthesizers to actually create those notes artificially. Just one example of the overlap between the science and the vocational workplace. Okay, after that we do some practical work which is portfolio based, so we do chemical analysis, we do chromatography in biology, and we look at melting points in physics. There you're assessed on your practical skills and you write up of the experiments. It's very much portfolio, support from staff, being told how to improve to push you towards that highest possible mark. And at the end of the year, we review the real life work-based skills that you've used. So whether it's working as a team, improving your communication, meeting deadlines, we look at those, so that's got a real focus on you getting employed, whether it's a science-based or other workplace. Year 13, we look at practical investigations and see how real scientists work in the laboratory carrying out investigations. And the other portfolio unit, at the moment, we do human physiology. So quite an overlap with sport and biology areas. We've had people take this course and go on to midwifery, physiotherapy and such like, using the skills they've developed in the course. If you need any other information, please see me at school or get in contact. I look forward to seeing you next year.